Myself, Archana Devi, Assistant Professor at Department of Food Technology in Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today topic is about commercial consideration of flavors. So there are n number of food additives are available in the market, but colors plays a major role in this. So the most common varieties of food additives are preservatives, flavor enhancer, color additives, emulsifiers, and stabilizers, sweetness. Preservatives are used to preserve the food materials. The common examples of preservatives are sodium benzoate, citric acetate, flavor enhancers. Sometimes we use some acetic acid vinegars. Then color additives. There are n number of color additives are available. Color additives are normally denoted in through E numbers. Emulsifiers and stabilizers. Emulsifiers are used to combine two immiscible liquids with help of some external agent. Also, stabilizer give the stability to the food molecule. Sweetness. Sweetness gives the sweet taste to the food product. So, common examples for sweetness are saccharin and diazepam. So, through global flavors and fragrance market, the report segmentation represents the flavors and fragrances market in all over the world. So, the regional outlook: North America, Europe, Asia, Pacific, Central and South America, Middle East, and Africa. So, these countries all represent the global flavors and fragrance market. The application outlook for based on this regional outlook. They are most commonly used flavors and fragrances. Also, the based on the product, it is natural or aroma chemicals. So the report segmentation gives a detailed note about the global flavors and fragrance market all over the world. There are different kinds of natural flavoring systems are available in the market. The flavoring systems can be extracted through natural and synthetic. So natural means from plant or animal raw material. It is isolated by some physical methods, also obtained from some microbial or enzymatic process. And then some natural identical flavors are available. It is also synthesis or isolated through chemical process. For example, vanillin. Vanillin is very costly compared to the natural vanillin. So we have synthesis the vanillin compound from lignin molecule. Citral obtained by chemical synthesis. So then we go for an artificial flavoring, not intended it in a natural product. So most commonly artificial flavors are not extracted or isolated from any natural sources. It is developed by chemical methods in a laboratory level, typically produced fractional distillation and additional chemical manipulations are used to producing the artificial flavors. Some of the flavors give some what are the components give some flavors about. So methoxypyrazines gives earthy vegetables, esters gives fruity smell, phenols give astringents, alcohol gives some bitter taste, ketones give some buttery flavor, and then aldehydes give some filthy and green smells, and allyl pyrazines give some roasted nut flavors. Also, terpenes, citrus are rich in terpenes. These are the flavors are obtained through some natural source. Also, the aromas are recovered from the natural sources. Next one is consumer acceptance and perception. So based on the target market understanding, to first you will have to identify the target market's preference and sensitivities to different flavors is crucial. The flavor perception, understanding how consumers perceive flavors. For example, taste, aroma, texture, and how various factors like age, health, and even meal timing can influence this perception is essential. The last one is flavor trends. Staying abreast of current flavor trends and anticipating future preference is vital for product development and marketing. So next one is regulatory complaints. So for flavors, for any additives, regulatory complaints is very important. Based on the regulatory complaints, there are nine number of bodies are available like FSSA, JAFC, FDA. Like all flavors must comply with regulations set by bodies like FSSA, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, FDA, Food and Drug Administration, and EFSA, European Food Safety Association, regarding safety and permitted usage level. These bodies are set the limits for additives and how much quantity we have to use in food products. Then labeling requirements, accurate labeling of flavors types like natural, artificials, or etc. And ingredient is necessary to avoid deception and ensure transparency. Ingredient sourcing, we have to select the ingredient whether it is organic or non-synthetic sources may be preferred or required for certain markets, particularly for natural and organic products. Production and processing. So once we ready to prepare a flavor or any other color component, we have to ensure flavor stability, ingredient compatibility, processing method, cost consideration, production efficiency. So based on flavor stability, we have to ensure that flavors maintain the desired characteristic throughout processing, packaging, storage, and distribution is critical. Ingredient compatibility. Flavors must be compatible with other ingredients in the product, not negatively impacts its overall quality or stability. Processing method. The impact of different processing techniques on flavor stability and intensity needs to be considered. Cost consideration. Balancing the cost of flavor ingredient with the desired flavor profile and consumer expectation is an important factor. Production efficiency. Artificial flavors can offer more stability and cost effectiveness compared to natural flavors, which may be subjected to seasonal variation or other factors. Flavor types and applications, natural versus artificial. Choice between natural, artificial, and natural identical flavors depends on the product, target market, and cost consideration. Flavors masking. Flavors can be used to mask undesirable flavors from raw material or to overcome flavor changes due to processing. Enhancement. It is used to boost intrinsic flavors and add new flavor notes or modify existing flavor profile. Flavor optimization, balancing the five basic tastes sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, and other flavor elements is crucial for creating a desirable flavor experience. Marketing and innovation. So, marketing and innovation plays a major role. In this, we have to differentiate our product and we have to identify the marketing strategy and the product innovation. Product difference. Unique and appealing flavor profiles can help differentiate products in a competitive market. Marketing strategy. Flavors play a key role in product positioning and can be used to communicate specific brand message. Product innovation. Further exploration and development can lead to new and exciting product offerings. By carefully considering this commercial aspect, food and beverage companies can leverage the power of flavor to drive product success and meet the evolving demands of the consumer market. Thank you.